Development usually has adverse effects on each part of its environment, and therefore its ecosystem. However, we will be examining the effects on small aquatic systems in this video. Ironically enough, let's start on land. When people develop land, the structure typically goes below surface level, which disrupts everything from soil microbes to roots to organisms that exist above, and the entire nearby ecosystem living in the local sources of water. Typically, these effects are not recognized until critical levels of pollution are reached, possibly causing eutrophication, because this resource was not truly valued from the beginning, before the development occurred. Protecting water and soil against development is important because natural processes allow land near aquatic systems to absorb large amounts of water that can prevent flooding. When an ecosystem like this is disturbed, landslides and erosion set in quickly, causing decrease in water quality, further harming the ecosystem and decreasing the land value. Environmental ethics evolves around the ethical value of the environment while challenging the materialistic value society has today. If we consider the unethical part of development, we could save the aquatic systems from being destroyed. Water pollution is a critical issue because sometimes rivers, lakes, and oceans are used as dumping grounds for industrial waste and residential sewage. In these types of waste, there are pesticides, heavy metals, detergents, etc., all of which have a common theme of being toxic and can get large distribution through the movement of water. Greenwashing is a huge issue because corporations claim to be green, eco-friendly, or natural, and their processes do not reflect the true meaning of these words whatsoever. However, most believe their marketing, which influences their view of these companies as being sustainable when they are not. Unfortunately, Maryville University is guilty of participating in water pollution of small aquatic systems along with greenwashing. Here at Maryville, we have a Live Green Maryville Center for Sustainability, but when it comes down to it, we do not practice what we preach. For example, this is a picture of the area to the right of Saints Hall before construction began to put in a new track and eventually another building. Here is a picture after construction of the track. The main issue is that the small aquatic system at the bottom of the hill is not protected against the harm of development because Maryville had the water system classified as a drainage area instead of a creek, which would have been protected under the Clean Water Act. A possible explanation of this is to save money from having to keep this resource healthy.